In this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome and how to force all websites to use dark mode, even the ones that normally stay in light mode. First, let's turn on dark mode for Chrome. To do this, you need to enable dark mode in Windows. Go to the Start menu, type Settings, and open it. Next, go to Personalization, then click Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark. Once you've done that, Chrome and most other apps will automatically appear in dark mode. However, some websites still stay in light mode. To fix that, you can force dark mode in Chrome. Go to the address bar in Chrome and paste this command. You'll find it in this video's description. Press Enter. This will open Chrome's experimental settings. Find Auto Dark Mode for web contents, click the dropdown, and select Enabled. Then click Relaunch at the bottom right. After Chrome restarts, websites like Gmail and many others will now appear in dark mode. Some sites may not look perfect, that's normal, but it works for most pages. If something doesn't display correctly, go back to the same page, change the setting back to default, and click Relaunch to restore it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on and forced dark mode in Google Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.